Mama, what are you doing?
Making my own sled.
You just copied my design? That's my design.
Well, you didn't sign a patent for it, so it's fine.
Oh my goodness.
I got a big.
That's a nice one.
I know, it's about to be big. I'm about to have some architect to it. It's gonna be a good design. Now.
You just said you about to add some architect to it?
Yeah, what's that mean?
I don't know what you're talking about. Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of The Big Heads and the Big Dreams. I'm just kidding. No, really though. Today is a snow day. And as you know, I am not a good planner. And so, though we have all this snow, I forgot to buy my kids sleds. So we're gonna make our own sleds, redneck style. So this is my first prototype. Here's the bottom of it. It's beautiful, nice and slick. And here's the top where you sit. It's made with old packaging from Amazon and duct tape. Let me show you how we make it. Step number 1 to make a hood-rich sled. Grab an art project that your daughter made a few years ago that you no longer need. Or you can just use a cardboard box. Step 2, you need a trash bag. I don't know if this one's big enough, but we're gonna make it work anyway. Place trash bag over cardboard. If your box is too big because you did a big toboggan, use 2 trash bags.
Wait, you're using our trash bags for that?
How do you think you're gonna make a sled?
What? So who's gonna replenish those trash bags that I ordered several months ago?
What are you talking about? It's just 2 trash bags. We saved money by using the packaging from Amazon on one of them. Don't worry, it's gonna be the best. She said no, it's not. You hear her? All right. Once you get your trash bags on there, you're gonna have to secure them down with some good old-fashioned Dollar General duct tape. I don't know how these are gonna work, but you know, the fun is the journey. So look, as you can see, bada bing, bada boom. It's a perfect sled. This is Daddy's sled. It's big enough for me.
That's big enough for you?
So as you can see, I have a seam where the trash bags meet. I'm gonna put some duct tape all around it to cover up that seam. Then I'm gonna put duct tape around the edges to give us some instructional, what's that engineering term called? Structural integrity.
Is that really the word?
Yes. All right, y'all. I got my masterpiece. It's called the Sled Master 5000.
Sled Master 5000.
Will you just look at it? It's just a thing of beauty. Wow. As you can see, got the cardboard underneath the plastic with the reinforced duct tape. Here's the bottom. I'm not sure which one's gonna be the bottom. I'm thinking I may need to just finish this off the top with just duct tape. Make it a little bit stronger. You know, this is real cheap plastic bags, so yeah, I think I'll just put a few more things of duct tape on there, and then we're gonna take her outside and give her a spin.
What in the ghetto factory?
What do you mean?
Is this? What is this?
Daddy made that.
This looks like something that came out of the back of the Goodwill store.
Bet you it's slides.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Bet. We'll see.
I don't know.
What's wrong with you?
Now I have this snowman and I wait down the snow.
You don't want to slide?
Jump on the trampoline.
You can't jump on the trampoline. There's too much snow on it. Nugget, you ready to go play in the snow? This first snow. Nope. Oh, look at that nose. Oh, that's bad. We need to get you cleaned up, boy. You use what for everything?
The duct tape. We use it for everything growing up. Assignments, activities, whatever to tape the sink. Anything. Duct tape. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, you tell you grew up in the trailer park.
Stop recording me. And I did grow up in a trailer park. I grew up here. Shoot.
Didn't I do good? Look what I got her for Valentine's. That's a dozen roses.
Oh, it's the best gift ever.
And look what we got, Anaya. He gonna sled in this toboggan. It's called the Handy Fold Super Strong Extra Deep Turkey X1. It goes 1,000 miles an hour down 30-degree slopes. I hope you ready, boy. Thelma, how's that sled coming along?
It's coming along. It's just beautiful. This is my grip.
Oh man,
I can't wait.
we about to eat it. This is gonna be a disaster. We're gonna bring Lazarus too. You ready, Lazarus? Man. You ready, Niall?
Alright.
Man.
Thank you. Like this?
She's ready. Look at that.
Yep.
The Silver Surfer.
Smash it.
I just updated her name. Silver Surfer. Wow. She's a thing of beauty if I ever did see one. Got a few little things I need to fix up there. But
Yeah.
and then a little more touch-ups, and I'm getting dressed and we're going out. See you outside. How about that? As you can see, we're out here.
I don't know what we're doing out here because this is a mess.
There's a little hill, quarter mile up the road. We're gonna try to sled down with our makeshift sleds.
So cold. His little feet are gonna be so cold because they're so wet. He don't have any boots.
Who's?
Abraham.
You'll be alright. Man, I'm always trying to worry about how cold it is. How you gonna make a man out of a boy? Man, this is lovely. Winter storm of the century. Oh, poor Niles. His breath being taken away. Poor boy. It's not that cold, Bubba. Whew. I think we made it. I don't know if it's steep enough. Oh, where can we? Man. Yeah. It's not looking very good, Mama.
Dada.
How does not looking very good?
It's not looking good? Why is it looking good?
It don't look very steep.
Oh. Well, let me go see.
Here.
So, it's not steep enough for us to sled, but in our backyard we have like a hill area. So we're gonna try to sled in our backyard. It may not be as tall or as big, but we're gonna try to sled in our backyard, see how that goes. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh, we left a boy. So anyway, let me get my son.
Why?
Abraham.
Where is he? Well, he's fine. Abe, let's rock, Bubba. He is so cute. That's too much to know.
Dang.
Oh. I'm gonna break my. We can't get out there.
Oh, that is so unfortunate, man. Are you kidding?
I can go around and shovel it. I have to. We have to try out these sleds.
I know.
We have to.
That's so sad. So I guess the kids and I will wait inside.
They can play out here. I had to walk all the way around so my kids can experience the mighty hill. Okay, it's not that big, but it's all we got. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Mommy's gonna be the first one to go.
The test dummy.
Yep. Go, Nana, go!
Ready? Here we go.
Go, Nana, go! Your sled is wet. Wait, Dave.
Okay, my sled sucks.
All right. Look at you, Bubby.
Okay.
All right, Bubba. You gotta sit on the sled. Here you go.
Okay.
Sit down. Sit down. There you go. All right.
God.
Hang on, Bubby. Hang on.
Here, buddy.
Woo. Our sled is weak.
That was weak too.
Hold on.
Trash. It's literally trash.
Hold on. Let Daddy make a path.
Right.
Here.
You can see this is a flop from the flop of flop. Avia, can you say this is a flop flop?
It's a flop flop.
Oh, he's making a path, he says. Which is smart. It's very smart.
You're gonna test Daddy's.
Okay.
This is Daddy.
Here we go. There's Daddy's little
Come up here,
thin
Avia.
piece of paper.
Come on, Avia. This is gonna work.
Abraham, here, come here. Woo! I don't know about this. This is. Whoa! As you can see,
Well, Daddy hasn't gone yet. That's why.
as you can see, this is a flop. Naya, Abraham, can you say a flop flop?
Flop flop.
Guys, watch Daddy. Woo!
I won!
Wow, how does it feel?
You're the champion! She took some damage, boys. But we survived. Hey, do you want to try to go again? All right. So as you can see, the Silver Surfer that Daddy made is the best sled for this competition. Mama's about to go now so she can experience what it's like.
Oh, wait.
Here you go. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Yeah, her first time sledding. Oh, you're so goofy, dude. Oh, Silver Surfer worked out.
Well, I didn't give mine any credit.
Yours was Bobo.
It was. Here we go, Naya.
You need...
That was so fun.
Oh, that's the best.
Wow.
Yes! Being able to
Wow.
Yeah! What did you put on your hands?
Listen, my hands were cold. I gave Nio my gloves because his hands were cold. Everybody else had gloves. So I went in the house and got some warm socks. Straight off the dryer.
One finger. One finger. Nio, do you like the snow, Bubby? Huh?
What did I get? He said.
What y'all doing?
Making snow.
Oh, that's the best. Y'all the best. Like, Lazarus had enough. He's like, let me in. It's cold.
If you like this video, love the video. Bigger don't try this. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.